Remember the feeling? Entering the promised land? The cloud? This is Jeff. He was really excited about the cloud.
No more cables, Carl.
Maybe a little too excited.
The cloud.
Everything felt so good, so obvious. Employees bound to their workstations? Not anymore.
Janice, it's time to set you free.
Moving to the cloud was going to revolutionize our infrastructure and streamline operations.
All right, team, let's do it.
The cloud. Is it really happening?
Embracing the cloud meant saying goodbye to costly hardware upgrades and maintenance.
And two.
Hey! Our systems are down.
Guys, I can't access my files.
Out with the old, in with the cloud. For a cloud investment to be profitable, it needs to be well-planned, strategic, and future-oriented. Let us be your trusted partner and best companion on this cloud journey, helping you navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities that come with cloud adoption. Navigate the future with confidence. Choose Net Nordic, your best companion.